Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made these adorable door signs without my CRICUT. Of course, you can easily make this with a CRICUT, but this video is directed towards those who don't have a CRICUT or a cutting machine, but still want to make something like this. For this method, you will need a computer or a tablet, something with a wide screen. I'm using this image of the Grinch I found on the internet. You can Google any image and use that. I have this open on my Photos app on my computer, so nothing fancy. And I'm going to increase the size. I'm just estimating here, but you don't want to make it too big for your wood round. Now I'm going to take some regular paper and a pencil, and I'm holding it up to the screen, and I'm going to carefully trace the face. Try to keep the paper as still as possible. The mouth I had to do in 3 sections, so I just moved the image over to the middle part of his mouth, and I'm using a new piece of paper and I'm going to trace around this section. Now I'm going to move the image over to the other side of the mouth. Take a new piece of paper and trace that. Now I'm going to take another piece of paper and trace around his eyes and nose. I'm going to trace around the whole thing first, but not the white part of the eyes. I'm going to do that white part separately. Now I'm going to trace around the white part of the eyes with a new piece of paper. Now I'm going to take the 3 sections of the mouth and line those up, then tape together. Here I'm just cutting off the excess paper to make it a little easier to handle. Now I'm going to take my vinyl. If you are unfamiliar with vinyl, it's just a material with a sticky back, kind of like a sticker you can peel off and adhere it to an object. Now I'm going to measure my vinyl by rolling it out over the mouth, making sure it's covered the mouth completely. And I'm going to cut the vinyl. To keep the vinyl in place, I'm going to tape it directly to my cutting mat. Make sure you have something underneath that you can cut on. Now I'm going to tape the paper directly on top of the vinyl. I'm using an Exacto knife I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to trace and cut out the Grinch mouth using that Exacto knife. I'm using a little pressure, but I did end up cutting through the vinyl and the white backing, so maybe do a test cut just to see how much pressure you really need. I don't use Dollar Tree vinyl that much, but I wanted to try it out for this project, which turned out to be a huge fail, and I'll show you what went wrong later in the video. I would suggest using a better brand of vinyl. It's just way easier to work with, and I've gotten plain black vinyl from Walmart for around $5. Sometimes I can find a pretty good deal on Amazon. Once I have it all cut, I'm removing the paper from the vinyl, and now I'm going to remove the excess vinyl. Now I have all my pieces cut out, and now I'm going to arrange them onto the wood. Once I like it, I'm going to peel the backing off on one side of the mouth and apply it to the wood. The Dollar Tree vinyl didn't stick that well for me, and you'll see me later in the video adding some Mod Podge to the back to get it to stay. But sometimes this is what you get when you go with cheaper materials. You get what you pay for. And here I just wanted to show you I did the same thing with the Jack Skellington sign, but I did use a different brand of vinyl, and of course it was much better to work with. So here's where I went wrong. I wanted to seal the face to protect it, but be careful what you use if you do want to seal it. This stuff caused the Dollar Tree vinyl to curl real badly, and there was no way I could fix it. I've already peeled off the mouth. It just looks so bad. I didn't have this problem with the CRICUT vinyl, so it's only if you use the Dollar Tree vinyl. I'll show you what I did at the end of the video to save this because I did not want this to go to waste. So now I'm just going to take some greenery I got from Walmart and cut each stem. I think it's easier to work with like that in my opinion. Once I get those in place, I'm going to staple them down. Then I'm going to attach my bow to the center. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.